So Warrior Plus Network, if you don't know what that is, it's an affiliate network that has thousands of products. Okay, you can register for free, and once you have registered, the good part is that if you're looking for a PayPal payments, Warrior Plus does pay you via PayPal, and you can get paid on a regular basis into your PayPal account using Warrior Plus. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you want to go to offers, and then you want to choose an offer. So down here is all offers. I'm just going to put unrequested. So these are the offers that I didn't request to become an affiliate for. Okay, so I'm going to go down, and you can see the release date, sales, how much sales generated so far. All right, you can see conversion rate, you can see the visitors value, you can see the average sale, and you can see the refund rate. Okay, so if you scroll down, you're just going to choose one of the offers. Now if you're just getting started as a beginner, I highly recommend you request approval for at least 15-20 different offers, because not everyone is going to approve you. Okay, so let's just look into one of the offers down here. All right, so let's just look into this one here. Okay, so I could see, not this one, this is only generated 50 plus sales, so I'm looking for something that's generated a lot of sales. Okay, so if I scroll down, let's just see what I could find here. Alright, so you just have to do some search. Okay, take some time out and find a good product. Alright, you want to see if you can find some latest products. So let's just go to the next page, and let's see if I could find something that's latest, has high volume and low refund rate. Alright, so if I come here, alright, this is looking quite interesting. Fast profit system is like released this year, 5,000 plus sales, conversion rate is 36%, unheard. Alright, and 0% refund rate. Okay, let me just check this out, what this is all about. Didn't know about this. Let me just go to the sales page. Alright, you need to look at the sales page, very, very important. Okay, VIP private invitation, brand new opportunity for 2024, secure your free money system below. Free? That's quite weird. Okay, so you can see this guy, I know this guy. Okay, 40 minutes ago here, guys, it's Glizlowski here, and as you can see, I'm already straight into my account. Okay, alright, so what I believe this is a free program that you just get into, and once you have joined the free program, alright, then they're going to sell you the upsells. Okay, that's how they are making money. Okay, and I think that's how he's got to 5,000 people. So if I look at the products down here, you can see that the first sale down here is 0, so it's 100%. Okay, then from there you can see that they're charging. Okay, so they're going to give you some upsells at the latest, and then you're going to start seeing a lot of things coming into place, and that's how you're going to make money. All right, so I just want to request approval for this. All right, and now in my case, I'm going to write, because I have been online for quite some time and I know what I'm doing, I'm just going to write, I am a super affiliate and would like approval. Okay, let's see what happens. Alright, so it's gone into pending, and there you go. Probably within 24 hours I should receive approved. I should get approved, because I've already been approved for this guy's products in the past as well. Okay, in your case, you're going to write something like, hey, I would like to promote your product. It would be appreciated if you can approve me, etc., etc. Some people will approve you, some people will not, because you don't have no track records. That's why I say you want to request approval for at least 20 to 30 products. So if I look at this product here, because it's a free, it's okay to do direct link down here. Okay, so you could see here that this guy is sharing a screenshot. Okay, and it is 2024 latest. But what I want to really emphasize on is that you could see the hops, and then you could see the sales. Alright, so when you look at the sales, it looks like a lot of sales here for very minimum traffic. And that is because this guy has buyer traffic, okay? This guy's been a vendor on Warrior Plus for quite some time. He's been selling probably about 15-20 products. He's probably got about over 10,000 buyers. So when you send an email to a buyer list, you're most likely going to get sales from very minimum traffic, okay? So don't just fall for anything like this. You see, wow, he's making this type of why I can't. There's a difference, okay? One is a buyer list and one is a normal list, okay? So he's probably doing this all from his buyer list. And I do share a buyer traffic network, okay? If you really want to look into that, the link is going to be in my description box below this video, where you can expect to get sales like this as well from very minimum traffic, okay? So you can see, look at this, 1,721 hops, $1,300. The highest is $2,000 for just 2,000 hops, okay? So that's actually good, okay? If I scroll down, he's also sharing his Clickbank screenshot here, right? So you can see here, Clickbank screenshot, $3,000, $2,000, $2,000, $3,000, and it is 2024. Alright, so that's quite good, okay? Not bad. So what you want to do to promote products like this, you want to create a mini landing page, something like this, okay? The reason you want to create a landing page is because you're going to build a list. Hello? You should know that by now, okay? This guy, he's making all this money not from direct traffic. He's building a list, alright? You need to build a list. If you don't build a list, how are you going to make money? You need to build that list. So this money, all this money that you're seeing, it's very good, it looks good, it's nice, but he's building a list, okay? Buy a list. So you need to build a list. Now, I've spoke about this in my previous video in very much detail, how to build a landing page very quickly, okay? If you haven't watched my video, go and watch it again, because in there I explain everything in details on how to build a list incredibly fast, okay? So that's how you do affiliate marketing. This is the type of money you can make on a daily basis. Oh yeah, I did say, how does this all add up when the product is only about 10 bucks, 12 bucks, and you're getting 50% commission, which is $6? They buy the upsells. When they buy the upsells, this is how much money you can make, okay? So this is all possible when you know what you are doing. But guess what? If you become a super affiliate and you learn the root of affiliate marketing, you can crush any leaderboard. Like I told you, when I met my mentor in 2016, he taught me the root, the foundation of affiliate marketing. And since then, I've never looked back, which means whichever opportunity I jump into, I just crush the leaderboards. And that's why now, if you have questions, just leave a comment, okay? I'm here to help you. I want to answer all your questions, and I want to see you succeed online, alright?